Hi. For the first time, it's me, reaching out to you. Instead of waiting for you to chase me. I'm not sure what I feel this need to write. But this is who I am. Words are the only weapon I have to find my way. I never thought you'd leave such a mark on me, and yet I miss you. I don't know how to define it, but you had become my safe place. A certainty. You helped me love myself again. Just by the way you look at me, the sweetest, most unique way anyone ever has. I know I hurt you. I don't ask for your trust back, but you should know that saying goodbye was agonizing. It broke my heart to break yours. Maybe I finally know who I'm writing. The truth is, I'm not ready to let you go. Not as a friend, not as anything. You're too special. And I can accept the thought of you walking out of my life forever.